Hi, today I'll review my watch band Huawei. It is a model of watch band 428. I'm using it from past 6 months. So this is the watch band I am using it. So if you touch this, you can see the battery, how much charge is there. You can check it, and if you move up, you can see how much walking distance, and this is the heart rate. So if you touch the heart, so if you touch the heart rate, it will show you your heartbeats. So now it is measuring my heart rate. See, it is showing as 63. So next, so after heart rate, you can see you can check the oxygen level of you can check the oxygen level in our body. So this is SpO2. It is nothing but you can check the oxygen level in our body. If you touch this, it will check the oxygen level. See, it is measuring now, and it will show you the level in your body. You have to wait for a few minutes. See, it is showing 98-99%. So it is normal. So I think above 94% is normal. So of my oxygen level in the body is 99%. So like this, you can measure the oxygen level of the body, and then so after measuring oxygen level, you can set the sleep time, and you can check your workout. So suppose if you are walking outside, or if you are running outside, means you can check you can click this outdoor run, and you can fix this option. Otherwise, you can, if you are walking or doing running exercise inside of the home, means you can use this option. And this is outdoor walk, indoor cycle, elliptical, rower, free training. So like this, several exercise options has been given. So you can exit, and then after working out, you can see the weather report by using this band. So to connect the weather report, to check the weather report, you have to connect the watch band with Huawei Health app, which you can install into your mobile. So I will show you how to install the health app in the mobile after this. So to check the weather, or to connect the weather with the watch, you can check the local weather by using this watch band. So to check this weather, you have to connect Bluetooth and location service, then only it will show the weather. So this is the options more. These are the more options. You can check the timer. You can use stopwatch, and you can use phases. Means you can you can fix the phases. See, I am using this phase. Otherwise, if you want to change this, means you can change like this. You can swipe up, change. You can, which phase you want, you can fix it. See, I want to use this phase, means I am fixing this phase. So like that, you can choose the watch phases. And then next option is brightness. See, if you want more brightness, or means you can adjust. So you can adjust less brightness. So I am keeping it in 2 points, so that you can adjust brightness. Next is screen on or off option. So you can keep on switch on the screen, otherwise you can switch off within 5 minutes. Like that, you can set the screen option, and then you can see the battery option, and this is the system. settings, you can reset, restart and power off. If you want to power off, you can switch this, you can choose this option power off, and then you can switch off the watch. And if you want to switch on it again, means you have to connect this watch with USB plug, and that USB plug should be switched on, so that this watch can be automatically switch on. Next is the option music. So you can connect this Huawei band with Bluetooth or mobile, and then you can hear the music by using Bluetooth. And next is messages. You can get, if you are getting SMS or WhatsApp messages, means you can. Next is messages. If you are getting SMS messages in your mobile, means you can connect this mobile with Bluetooth. And if you are getting SMS in your mobile, means in the watch itself you can see the messages. Next I'll show you how to charge this Huawei band. See here, small option USB. I think it is visible or not visible, I don't know. So here it is, small option is given USB. So this option, by using this option, see, just you can remove this, and then you can able to charge. See, this is the Samsung charger I have taken, or any USB port you can use. So like this, you have to connect this Huawei band, and then now I connected this Huawei band, and then you can plug the USB, and then automatically this watch will getting charged. So like this, you have to connect the band with the USB plug to put the charge. You have to install Huawei Health app in App Store. You can install this Huawei Health app in your mobile phone by using Google Play Store. So after installing this Huawei Health app, you have to connect your watch Huawei band. So now I am connecting this. So now my watch band is connected with mobile. So here you can see the exercise options, how much calories, kilocalories today you burned, like that, how much walking distance you covered, like this, everything it will show. And if you want to change the watch faces, means you can go and you can choose the watch faces. See, there are several paid watch faces are there, also free watch faces also there. So this is these are the my watch faces which I have chosen, which is already installed in my watch. So if you want to choose any watch faces, see this option install is given. So these and all free watch faces. See, these and all free watch faces which are given for this band. So like that, you can if you want to install, suppose if you want to install this watch face, means you can see this, and then you can click install to set the watch faces. So like that, you can able to use the Huawei band, and then by choosing this exercise option, you can able to check your exercise. So like this, you can able to use the Huawei band. So to connect this Huawei Health app with Huawei band, you have to switch on the Bluetooth and location service, then only it will work.